Hey y'all, sorry, I haven't been making videos because there's been other drama in my life. My little fish pond is leaking, so I got out all the fish except for these two because I need to think about that one. It's a car day. Probably can't tell, but it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and gonna need to get the Porsche out. Probably the black one for the last drive in Hawaii. Wow, how's that for a statement? Good morning. It is 7:07. It's my Sunday morning Hawaii cruise with the Porsche boys. Yeah. That's rain. Them's be raindrops. Oh man, I don't know what we're gonna do. I need to do a splash and go because that right there is my fuel status, and I need a little bit more gas. Because I don't know where we're going, but I got to be sure I don't put too much fuel in the car because I need to be dropping this thing off at the port. So I'll put like $10 in it. Hopefully the car doesn't go too thirsty. I'll try and drive it in economy mode versus sport mode. The rain is not a good sign. Well, of course it would be raining. Yeah, it's raining. I don't know how many people are going to show up to the car cruise today. Usually when I do car events and it rains, everybody acts like their car is made of sugar. They can't show up. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Me, I commit. I don't care. I'll wash my car later this afternoon. This is for you. This might be the last 911 Turbo in Hawaii car cruise video for 2025. The car will return January 2026, if that makes any sense. How you been doing? Yeah? How's work? Yeah? How's your back? Yeah? Oh, how's the old lady? Oh, yeah? Me too. Work drama was up a couple notches, so I didn't really make much videos, and you know, life is a little easier that way sometimes, you know? YouTube doesn't pay me. I just make these videos for fun. I always hoped that one day YouTube would pay me, but I don't think I have the talent. And every time I don't think I have the talent, I watch a video that's got like 100,000 views on it, and I'm like, dude, who made that? I could do better than that. And then sometimes I make a video and I just slap it together and it's crap, and all of a sudden it's like thousands of people watching, so I don't know anything. I do know I like this car. Too bad it's raining. How's this non-sport mode tune just holding the RPMs up? My favorite is the little boost gauge. But you have to put the gas pedal pretty hard to get that boost gauge to move, which is a little scary in the rain. Oh, can we see Lowrider Miata? Lowrider Miata going by? Okay, wow, it is raining, but I would like to point out whatever is on this windscreen is like magic because the water just beads off and the wipers just wipe perfect. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever owned a car that would keep the windows so dry in my entire life. That's amazing. I don't know. Squirrel.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and